What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is your boy I am underscore here. We are just coming live from Hispania border. This is where actually I've just come to get this metal, the anchor line that I was talking about. So I'm lucky to find it maybe at the scrabble, actually scrap metals. So I'm just going to have it, but it's really expensive, as I was not expecting. But so long as we have it, actually it's really good so that we can do the clamp, and then we will not be struggling, maybe borrowing from people where it's not actually good. So guys, keep tuned as we are going on, and also remember to give the video like. Actually it's only that they don't want maybe the camera, but I'm just heading there to have it, guys, as we are going on. So this is your boy I am underscore here, guys. Keep tuned. So the Isibania, actually this is the junction of along the junction of Hispania Kehancha. So that's where we are just going to have the metal from the shop. Guys, we have the angle line. Actually, it's too long, and just goes for 1,000. Imagine, yeah, really expensive. So that's right, tight over here. So guys, this is what I've actually headaching us. Wow, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy I am underscore here. I do appreciate for the love and support, and also glory to mighty God for he has actually granted this beautiful day, guys. Amazing, amazing day. So we are just coming live from our beautiful family here, and I do appreciate, guys, every single moment that we are making some of the steps. It's actually by God's grace, and I believe that with you we are just going to move together as a family. At the end of the day, we are just going to achieve the goals. So today, guys, it's a day that I have been actually eagerly waiting for, and a blessed day. Guys, I went to the border and managed actually to find what actually I've been also like in a mind, actually, like every single moment I've been thinking, at the same time as we do a lot of the projects over here, which whereby actually we require some of the things such as a clamp. And guys, today I managed, I thank God. Actually, I didn't like move or go all around from door to door, but I thank God. Actually, I went, maybe as I told you guys yesterday's video, I told you that maybe where we can find this AV angle line, it's a place where actually we can maybe get these heavy vehicles where the around those actually long vehicles garage around that place. That's where we can find it. I was successful, and actually I think now it's the time that we have to actually uh, do the clamp, and then we will just proceed with our activity. Remember yesterday I used to borrow the clamp. After borrowing the clamp, the owner used to give me with some of view, actually, like was, because he was also using it, and I didn't manage to work with it as actually it's supposed to be done. So I just did with the stand or the legs, joining those legs, and then the day ended up actually without proceeding. So like the top, I didn't manage to do it, and maybe today is the blessed day, the day that we can do our work without like moving up and down, maybe lacking some of those equipments. So we have we have our equipments such as the clamp and other things. So what we lack, we can just go ahead and find it. So I thank God actually with that. I think today we are just going to do this top. Yeah, you can see I arranged the lumbers, but it was too late, and I didn't manage to nail it, to glue, to add glue, and then maybe also like fixing fixing those or clamping it. But today it's that day of doing what you need freely, no pressure, no worries. My guys. So this is the day. This is the blessed day, and I do appreciate for your love and support, guys. Actually, without you, I could have not actually reached the point where I am today, and I believe that with God, with you, everything is just going on well. God meant us with the reasons. God meant us with a purpose. God meant us actually with all with his own actual purposes. So like maybe you are there, I'm here. You are there to support me. I'm here also to share with you some of the things, maybe support you where I can. But I know, even if not in terms of financially, even if not in terms of maybe some other things, yeah, there is the way I am here, which actually God knows. Maybe one day, one time, I'm just going actually to do what you have been doing to me. I'm just going to do it to somebody else. Maybe you are there, you can see, and then you will be just wow. That's the really procedure that I'm following. That's the good thing that I'm also doing. So that's how life it is, guys. It's not a must that I have to also like back. No, even maybe I think there is a verse in the Bible. Maybe support those people. Like you can also support those people who cannot just return. Yeah, return to you. Yeah, not. Uh, those are the best friends you can have with also like other things. So if you have a friend that, oh, I have to do with this guy because he's also going to support me back. That's not the really way, I think. Yeah, I think some of you knows like how to do it, how to follow that kind of the procedures. You support actually who is not going to return. Yeah, like to say to return the maybe just saying thank you, just thank you. Yeah, from the bottom of your heart, just being supported and you say thank you, you appreciate. Actually, it's something that you add, huh? Even you can, those are blessings to the guy or to the person who have actually supported you. And it's something great, guys. So I do appreciate, I do appreciate for the families. I also pray for the families that actually maybe support me, and those families that also watch my videos, those families who are just moving together with me every single moment. So let our mighty God continue actually blessing you guys. Just saying blessing you, it's something great. That's like God knows. Yeah, even maybe you are a parent. Maybe they say that even a parent, yeah, when maybe elderly people, if you help him or if you support somebody, he says blessings, let our mighty God bless you. The first word that blessings, God does it with it. God does with it. And if he has some of the curses or some of the other things, God forgets all about that. Yeah, guys. I think, guys, that's the best solution. That's the best way to move together, to share ideas, to support each other, not only actually ideas, financially, whatever way that you can support maybe somebody else there, you can support just from the bottom of your heart, not like being forced, if you able, guys. So guys, I'm just going to have the clamp, and then we will just go to the welding, one of the machines over there, maybe welding shops, and then we will just do the clamp. I think we will be back and proceed with the work of today. Uh, that's all. That's how we are just going to do it, my good people. Keep tuned, keep locked as we are just moving on, as we are just going to do it together as a family. Love is really appreciated, and let our mighty God continue blessing you guys. Love to you who are watching this. We are at the welding shop with the Omosh. I know this is the guy you used to make for us the grill at Royal Kim. Say hi. I think you are also a content creator, but you used to quit. Yeah? Yeah, he tried actually to be a content creator, but he found it somehow tough for him because he have to work here, maybe other things. He has his own reasons why maybe he quitted. Yeah? You can say hi to our audience. You okay? So, guys, this is the metal. Actually, we are not going to use the whole of it, but with the place where we used to find it, because actually they don't maybe like cut it, you know, they are just like also maybe they need money. So we are just going to use some of the piece or some of it, and then the remaining one I'm just going to keep it maybe for future use, not like using the whole of it. So even if I were not going to use even the half of it, but it used to cost 1,050 Kenya shillings. So it's the heaviest, the heavy one, and you can see how it limes. Actually, it's good, good, good. So we are just going to cut the little piece of it, even 3 inches, 2 inches, almost 2.5 inches from this, and then the other one to join it. So we are with the engineer here. I can also actually proceed, and I'm just going to show you everything, how things are just going to happen. Yeah, every single step I'm just going to update you guys. Keep tuned, keep logged.
Sasa nichome hapo, sasa ni noma ile tutaishika mpaka nitafute vile tutaishika.
Get.
Nataka nishike hapo kwanza, alafu ndio ongeze hiyo.
Inataka ikae hivyo hivyo tu.
Shike kwanza. Sasa msongo bila tuna adjust hivi. Hivyo. Sawa mbe.
Sawa, kamano. Kanyo.
Sasa hiyo iko sawa.
Akapo. Guys, that's how you make this actually fixed jaw. Yeah, the fixed jaw of the clamp. It's now fully done. Wow. Guys, finally we are back here and from the actually welding shop or welding area, and this actually, this actually, we call it fixed jaw. Yeah, guys, I think we have some of the professionals who are here. I think it's known as fixed jaw. So the fixed jaw is already done, so we need to go and just proceed with the work and see if it got. I believe that it's just going to work in a good way and not going to disappoint us. Maybe if it's just going to break, I don't know, but I believe with the way it is just being done, it's not going to disappoint us, guys. Let's believe that. So guys, this is the way you can do when maybe you are here and your clamp it have already like break this the fixed jaw, it has this problem or it have break or broken. You can just use this uh, angle line, actually the heaviest one, black, we call it. We know we have those black pipes, like black, though they are light, and the furniture you find out, we have that heavy gauge. Yeah, the heaviest, the heaviest as this one. This is just like almost an half a kg. Yeah, I'm holding an half a kg. Yeah, an half a kg. So that's the way you can actually use it to make your clamp. Guys, let's proceed for today's work, and today we're just going to do something manga new, something great, something amazing here. Yeah, so keep tuned, guys, as I'm just going to show you, as I'm just going to update you every single moment. Love is always free. Remember to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also share the link, guys. This is your boy, I am underscore, yeah. Love to you all watching this, and we love you, love you, love you all. Keep tuned, guys. Here we want to make our, we want to form our actually four seaters table, and these are the lumbers that we are just going to mix, or to fix, I mean, not mix. So it will be 45, 75, I mean, 75 centimeter wide. So wow, guys, wow, this actually 75 centimeter, this centimeter, guys. So when we talk about this centimeter, this 75 centimeter, and it's 29 and a half inches. Yeah. So from there, guys, we are moving with the sheet. We follow the sheet wherever it goes. So we have moved from that point, when we see the rhombus. Now we are just going to work from this point because of the shape, guys. We are following the shape.
fulani hata zivuki na nini. Ungekazia katikati. Hapa mwisho ni inuka.
Guys, you can just guess and you can just imagine this is the one who is in charge of this place. And I really know that they're just two boys. The one is just this the big one, and there's a very small teen boy like me having a good size like me, you know. How are you, bro?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Thank you for just paying a visit.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy, I am underscore, yeah?
Yeah.
Let me also hold my camera here because I'm still recording.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, we are here with
Yes.
Chris Muniko.
Chris
Give
Muniko.
yourself
Hello,
or
good people.
wow. So, guys, here we are, and we are still going on with the work of today. But we received a guest from
I am on a team.
Team Marwa. Let him actually give himself a shout out here.
Hello, good people. I go by the name Chris Muniko. Today I tried to do a good visit here to my brother. It is underscore Osea. I came here to see Osea with my brother Clinton,
Yeah.
because they are really my good friends. We are really like brothers, and all as long as we are just team positive, I will just be on your side. I will must come and see what you are just doing, and I tried to have a visit here. I know that even if you have never watched me, you can just go to my YouTube channel, subscribe there, Chris Muniko. Check my videos. I'm just doing very amazing videos. They're really inspiring and having a lot of love. So if you are just supporting this, my brothers, I'm really feeling great. I'm saying be blessed so much. Continue supporting them. Never change, never change. If you're just messing somewhere, try to give them some advice, because they're human beings. Sometimes we do messing somewhere, but we are just on this earth to give each other advice and to show love to each other, support. So be blessed. That's what I can say.
Oh,
Yeah, bro.
thank you, bro. You're welcome always.
Yeah, thank you so
Be
much.
free.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, guys, I do appreciate, and this is my brother Chris Muniko. You can just go and check him out, show him some love, guys. Thank you. We are still going on. So, because of the shade, I think I'm just going to move from this point to the other side. So we have two working actually stations. Maybe morning hours we walk from this point, and then maybe midday we will go and walk from the other side under the actually the counter position there. So let's go and see what we're gonna do. I'm just leaving this top on this area and on this clamp uh, as it's just going on drying up, and then I will just go just proceed with the legs so that we can finish actually the work of today. Have a look at, let me just have a show you something. Yeah. So aina noma.
Sababu kuna yenye nilikuwa nimesema kwa kamera jana nikajiroga eti ndanunulia mama kiviatu sijui nini. Unajua ukishasema hivyo sasa hiyo hapo ndo wanakupimia.
Yeah. So guys, this is the top, and it's in a square form, 45 75 I mean centimeter by 75. Really amazing, guys. Wow. Imagine today we are not struggling about the clamp. We have our own clamp, guys. What was headaching us, what we have not been working out for, it's just this point, the fixed jaw. But today we thank God we managed, and have been struggling ups and down, but today I was lucky. As I told you guys yesterday, I think I told you that this thing, I think where we can find it, it's where maybe we have those trucks, mean trucks, the garage of those mean trucks, because you know those use those heavy metals. So that's why I decided to go there, and by good luck I was successful. We have it here now, so we are enjoying the life of it. So you can see the more it's just by the time it's just drying up, I'm just going to work from all for the legs, and then I'll be back, guys. Keep tuned, keep locked as we are still going on. I think after it we are just going to smoothen it to just levelize the place, all of it, and then it's gonna be smooth. We pair it with sandpaper it, everything amazing, guys. Oh wow, guys! Thanks to mighty God, it's actually the evening hours, and here I am, guys. The top it's ready now. I want to open it and then start working all about the legs. So we have the legs over here. That's what I'm just going to work out for it, guys. I've just recognized that maybe by the time you have, yeah, by the time you have your own stuffs, the working stuffs like this, you can do a lot. Yeah. So right now the top it's already here. It have dried, and I have been just as it was drying, I have been just working out on the legs. Now the legs are ready. Here I'm just going to start joining the legs. After joining the legs, I think I will be just smoothening where the legs are just going like drying up. Yeah, I'll be just smoothening the top to be smooth, to be like in a level way. Yeah. So right now, as you can have a look at, it's not in a level way. It have some ups and downs like the valleys. Oh my God. So from there, then I'll be just like, yeah, I'll be just like also filling the gaps with the glue, smoothening it, or do the sandpaper, and then from there the edges, the cleave, the angles, everything get ready, and then just fix it on what we are just going to work out from. Guys, keep tuned, keep locked as we are still going on. This is actually the four-seater table. One over here, one over there, one over here, and another one over here. So that's actually it is. Guys, keep tuned, keep logged as we are just going to work out all about the legs, and then I'll be just updating you from few minutes, few hours. Keep tuned, keep logged, guys. You know what? I'm really happy today because I'm just working comfortably in a simple way, without stress, without running here and there. Guys, you know, since I started working here, I've been just like free. No, like where can I find something? Where am I going to find other things? Because we have Nothing else that we are just going to actually borrow. Maybe if we want to cut the rombas, if we want to smoothen long rombas, that's when we are just going to, maybe like this one, I need maybe something like a machine to carry it, so that's only the place that we might require some up and downs, guys. We are working freely. Captain, keep locked. Wow, 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 guys. This is not the table, this is the frame, huh? Or this is not the table. It will be called, it will be known as a table when actually we have the top ready. Right now, how do you call it?
This one.
Yeah.
I can call with me.
Yeah.
Man, I'm not used into this, but let me just say this is just a frame. By now,
Yeah.
I can call it a frame
Okay.
because it's not yet a table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, this is skeleton of the table.
Man, are you serious? Skeleton?
It's a skeleton now, yeah?
No, no,
It's a
man,
skeleton.
call it a skeleton.
That's a skeleton, bro. I yeah.
What a joke, man. What?
Guys, we are going on actually with the forming this table, and we are almost done. So the top it's here. I've not been working on it. I told you that I'll be just after finishing this. I have actually added the glue over here, the edges of these angles over here, so that it can dry. And then I'm just going to cut this to be in the form, to be equal size that required, smoothen it on, then just place it. I think the remaining part of the work, it's just going to be done maybe tomorrow. Then we gotta start at the same time with the second one. So right now, this is where we have reached, and I hope everything is just going to be good. Yeah, bro.
Good job, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
You have your own now.
Yeah, I own my own properties
Guys,
now.
it's been a minute here.
Yeah.
I haven't been here for a long time.
Sure.
This is Royal Kim, and the Kim is KHWM.
Wow.
Today I closed down the farm early, and I said I want to pass by and see what Osea is doing.
Yeah.
And I see some nice tables. I had loved the big one, but you told me that you're going to dismantle it.
Yeah, we are going
Yeah,
to
do these
dismantle.
small ones.
Yeah,
Wow.
that
This
was
is-
the
this will be
suggestion.
for 2 or 4 seaters,
For sitters.
stools or chairs.
So after finishing,
Yeah, that
then
is
we
when
are just
you'll know.
yeah. That's when we will know if we are just going to have chairs on.
When I see you chiseling, that is when I know it's business.
Yeah, I know that you don't like
That-
maybe you see
that
it's just
process,
consuming time.
Yeah, man. But I mean, it's the best thing because it makes
It's
the
strong.
frame very stable.
Yeah,
Yeah, for sure, man.
yeah.
Well, guys, I'm so happy. How many hours to go?
70 hours.
Oh, we made it.
Yeah.
Finally. Just
Finally.
70 and then we're done.
Yeah,
Wow. Osea, man.
yeah, bro.
Congratulations.
So at the end of this month, I will be just like Kim.
Are we going?
Are we going? Kim.
No, but you'll have to.
Yeah,
You'll have to do another month of making money now.
yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe
waiting for
just
the pin.
maybe like asking you, Kim.
Yeah.
Let's do monetization.
Yeah,
Let's
that
do.
one we'll do. You've seen us do for people here every day.
Yeah.
So we'll do it, man.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Yes.
So I'm just going on, guys, and then a few minutes I'm just going to update you. Let me cut this, then we will just show you the next step, guys. Keep tuned, keep locked as we are going on, guys. The sunset from our farm here, sunset. Yeah. Wow. Wow, guys, because of time and the cloud tells, actually we're gonna receive the rains any minute from now, so I'm just going to end my video from this point. And I could like to appreciate you all, guys, for just watching my videos, playing my playlist to support us here, guys. The updates is that we need 70 watch hours in order to start maybe updating and also monetization, guys. Remember to give the video like, also If you haven't, kindly you can also go and maybe watch our playlist over there, guys, to support the remaining hours in order to achieve the goals. And let our Almighty God continue blessing you guys. And oh my God, guys, I usually tell you about these dragon fruits. I really love it. And since the day Zero Mile Turning views, you can see here how it have actually performed the way it is. It's just doing good. The avocado, the guava, also the vanilla here. I think today, if we are just going to receive the rains, even the tomatoes over there, they are just going to enjoy. Since actually we did top dressing of the manure, the rain it have not actually it haven't rained. So if it's gonna rain today, it will be also happy. The fruits there, they are just going to enjoy them also. So that's how things are, guys. Love is to you, love to you all for watching this, and let Almighty God continue blessing you. And I love you, I love you, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Guys, our table is there for Sita. Guys, drop the comment over the comment section. Tell us what do you think about the table, and we love you guys. So I hope tomorrow I'm just going to show you the finishing point, the remaining parts of it, and then we will just proceed with the second one that will be also done from this beautiful farm, guys. Love to you all who are watching this. Your boy, I am underscore Hosea. I love you, I love you, I love you. Manganyu. Amazing, and happy to have you all. Ooh.